So for my last question, I will be doing 1 plus sine x over cos x plus cos x over 1 plus sine x, which is equivalent to 4. So with this, you're going to want to take the denominator of both of these and just use it together to multiply to the top. So you'll basically, and then you'll do that to both sides. So it'll basically look like times cos x times 1 plus sine x. And you're going to do that to this one, cos x plus, 1 plus sine x. Okay, then you're going to do this to this side as well. Okay, and just to make things simpler, we're just going to deal with this side for now, and then we'll come back to this side. So first of all, you're just going to, when you do this, you'll find that cos x will cancel out with the bottom of cos x, and 1 plus sine x will cancel out with the denominator 1 plus sine x. So then you will be left with 1 plus sine x times 1 plus sine x. Okay, and then you'll be plus cos x times cos x. Okay, and so first of all, we're just going to FOIL out this equation. So we'll do 1 times 1, which is equivalent to 1, 1 times sine x, which is just sine x, and then sine x plus 1, which is just plus sine x, and then sine x times sine x, which is just sine square x. Okay, and what we'll do for these ones, they just times out to plus cos square x, just because there is 2 of them. And then when you find that you'll collect like terms, you'll find that these will be, so it'll be 1 plus 2 sine x, just because there's 2 of them. And then you'll find that it's plus sine square x plus cos 2x. And if you remember from our notes, when you add sine square x plus cos 2x, you'll get 1. And you'll find that it'll be then another 1 plus 2 sine x. So when you add these together, you'll have like 2 plus 2 sine x. And we're just going to leave it there for now. And we're going to go back to the 4 up here. So with the 4, you're going to find that you will want to FOIL out these. So when you FOIL it out, you'll get, let's just move this down here, okay, because there's small. You'll just find that you want to FOIL it out like that. So then you'll just times them by each other. And so you'll end up getting 4 cos x, which you'll just bring down, plus 4 sine x cos x. Okay, and so when you do this, you're going to want to divide the 4 by 4. So you're just going to take the 4 and divide it by itself. So when you do 4 divided by 4, you get 2. So you get 2 cos x, and then you'll get 2 plus 2 sine x cos x. And so when we bring this down, these together will go out to be 1 plus sine x, and then you'll also still have your 2 cos x. Okay, and so for this, we're just going to want to then, we'll do these together, 2 plus 2 sine x is equivalent to 2 cos x. Okay, so for this, we're just going to divide 2 out of both sides. So I'm just going to divide 2, just like how we did the 4. I'm just going to divide 2 by itself, and these are going to cancel to be 1 plus sine x. Okay. And so for this, then we're just going to divide the 1 plus sine x on both sides. So you'll find that these will cancel, and then you'll do that, and you'll find that this will cancel out. And so on the one side, you'll just be left with 1 is equal to 2 cos x, because these will also cancel. Okay, and so then for our final step, you're going to take 2 out of there, and then it'll be fine, like cos x is equal to 1/2. And when we look at our special triangle, which is the 30, 60, 90, you'll find that because cos is opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to 1/2, we're going to find that it's going to be 1 over 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. So when we look on our cast, I know that cos is only positive in the 4th and 1st quadrant. So that means that cos is equal to 30 degrees as well as 330 degrees, because we take 360 minus 330, which leaves you with this quadrant, and then you're there. And all of these can be added like another 360. So if you wanted to do up here, like you would just add the 30. So like you could add another 360 and it would still be 1/2, just because it's just 2 rotations around. So you'd be, then if you did 360 plus 30 degrees, for example, then you would have it at 390, but it would still be in the same place as there, and it'd still be another element of cos x is equal to 1/2.